Welcome to this tutorial on how to send Microsoft Outlook messages or emails on creating new tasks in ClickUp automatically. Guys, if you are using Microsoft Outlook and ClickUp together in your work management, this video is for you. Guys, if you're using both, you know how time consuming it can be to switch between these two applications to create task and then send messages related to the task on Microsoft Outlook. So in this video, I'll show you a simple yet effective automation which is going to send messages automatically using Microsoft Outlook whenever you create a task in ClickUp. And you can set up this automation super simply without any coding. So let's begin. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste the same link in the description as well so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link. After that, sign in and select Pabbly Connect product to reach the dashboard. From here, guys, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here. So I have given this name. Okay, after giving such names, click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So trigger is saying when this happens, action is saying do this. So when trigger occurs, action is going to perform any action. In our use case, creating a task in ClickUp is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be to send a message or a mail on Microsoft Outlook. So here, when you click on this trigger section, it will ask to choose the application. So here, choose ClickUp. Then select the trigger event as new task. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. And here it will ask for the API key or token of ClickUp. And you will find the API key in the ClickUp account in the app section. So let me show you that. You can read the instructions. This is my ClickUp applications dashboard, and here you can see in the bottom left hand side I have this profile icon. Under your profile you will find the apps option. Click on apps. Under apps page you will get this API token. You can generate a token also, or you can just copy this token and paste it here in this field like this, and then click on save and you will be connected with ClickUp. Alright, then it will ask for selecting your workspace's name, then your space's name. So you can see my workspace name is Ashi's workspace and it is selected here. And then you can see the space name is Connect. I have selected it here. Folder name, so I am selecting the folder Pabbly Leads. So I'm selecting the folder name Pabbly Leads. Then it will ask for the list name. So here is the list named as new leads. So I have selected new leads. Okay. Now by clicking on save and send test request button, you can fetch the details of a most recent task that you have created in ClickUp. So let me show you that. I'm creating a task here. Alright, in new leads, and here I am creating this task for this person named as Ligi. Okay. Here I am typing the description. So guys, I have added the task name as test task. Description is new testing task. Here I have assigned this task to this person named as Ligi. Here is the due date, tomorrow, March 29. And here I have set the priority as high priority and clicking on create task. Alright, so you can see the task is created here. Let me click on save and send test request button here in the workflow, and the same task got captured here. You can see the content of the task is this new testing task. The status is to do. Alright, and when you scroll down, you can see the labels and then the values, the project name, the priority value is high. The name of the task is test task, the list name, folder name, description, creator's email, and this is the email of the person to whom it is assigned, the name of the assignee. Alright, so we got everything. Now I want to inform this assignee that you have assigned this task on ClickUp. For that, I am going to select Microsoft 365 here, and Microsoft Outlook is a part of 365 package by which we can send mails. So click on select send mail option in the action event, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft 365. So it might bring you to the sign in window, but if you are already signed in like me, it will just ask to give the required access. So from here click on yes, and you will be connected with Office 365. Alright, so after getting connected, it will ask for the subject of the message or the mail that you want to send. So you can manually type a subject as new task created in ClickUp, okay? Or you can change the subject as you want, okay? And here you can select the content type of the email as plain text or HTML. I'm selecting plain text. And here in the body content field, you can type the mail that you want to send. So let me type a mail here. So I have typed the message as this: hey there, this is to inform you that a new task is created in ClickUp. The details are as follows. So here I want to send these details to the person every time I create a task. The task name, description name, and the creator's name. So I'm going to map this data using the test data that I have received here from the first step, okay? So to map the details here, you just have to click here on this message in front of the name, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down. Let me show you, okay, like this. And by clicking on this new task ClickUp, you will see the data right here that you have received in the first step. So from here only you can map the name of the task. Here is the task name, map it. Similarly, you can map the task description. This is the project name, and the creator's name, you can see the creator details as well. All right. So this is how you can place the details, and here in the recipient field, you can map the email address of the person to whom the task is assigned. So if in any case the person cannot see the assigned task, this email is going to remind that person that this task is assigned to this person and they can work on it, okay? Now you can click on save and send test request button to check the connection with MS Outlook, and an email will be delivered to this address, okay? So this is not a real address. I'm going to place my address here, my email address here. Then I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and let's see if we can deliver the message. So guys, I have filled my email address here, and I am clicking on save and send test request button, and let's see if we get the email delivered. Alright, so we have received the response here, and this is my inbox, and here you can see we got a new email here, and the subject is new task created in ClickUp, and here you can see, you can read the message. This is to inform you that the new task is created in ClickUp. The details are as follows. The task name is new testing task. This is the description. This is the details. So these are the same things that I have mapped here, you can see, and the same things are in my email. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it and map the data only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in the workflow. It will run silently in the background. Whenever you are going to create a new task in ClickUp, the emails will be delivered to the assignees automatically via Microsoft Outlook. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.